Hi guys, this is Pragnya. Welcome to my YouTube channel Talk Mom Pragnya. I hope you are doing well. I'm a mom to an 18 months old toddler. Recently, I made a Montessori aligned front facing bookshelf for my toddler. So in this video, I will be discussing the step-by-step approach to make the front facing bookshelf using the cardboards and colorful sheets. Initially, we will do some paperwork of measurements, and after that I will show you the demonstration. The height of the bookshelf is 106 cm and the length is 74 cm. These measurements are based on the availability of the space and the size of the cardboards. The horizontal plates are placed at a distance of 20 cm from each other. The breadth of each plate decreases from bottom to top. In the side view, you can see that the breadth of the lowest horizontal plate is 25 cm. The second last one is 20 cm. The third last one is 15 cm. The fourth last one is 10 cm. And the breadth of the top horizontal plate is 5 cm. The length of each horizontal plate is 74 cm. The supporting pillars come at 5 points, 2 on the sides and 3 in between. Here I was short of one supporting pillar in the topmost row, but I would suggest to use 5 supporting pillars in each row. The upright plates are placed on the outer edge of the horizontal plates. The top 4 upright plates are 74 cm long and 26 cm in height. The lowest upright plate is 74 cm long and 6 cm in height. So the book is kept slanting between the 2 upright plates supporting the upper one. First we'll see the things required for making the bookshelf. First is scissors, second is scale, third is Fevicol or white glue, fourth is mixing bowl with the brush, fifth is measuring scale, sixth is cutter, seventh is hot glue gun, eighth is tissue tape, ninth is sandpaper, 10th colored card sheets, and 11th cardboards. For making the back support, I used 3 cardboards. Cardboard 1 and 2 are really thick and they were stuck on the cardboard 3 side by side. Mix the Fevicol with some water so that it can be spread easily on the cardboard. Stick cardboard 1 and 2 on cardboard 3 with the use of Fevicol. Put some heavy weights on the cardboards and leave them overnight. Use extra supporting pillars to connect the cardboard 1 and 2. The horizontal plates are made as per the measurements. They are double layered stuck with the Fevicol. The edges are smoothened using the sandpaper and sealed with the tissue tape. The upright plates are also double layered with the edges smoothened with sandpaper and sealed with tissue tape. The height of each supporting pillar is few millimeter less than 20 cm and the breadth increases from top to bottom. This is the hot glue gun I got from the Amazon for around 250 rupees. Let's see briefly how it is used. Insert the glue stick from backwards. Plug the gun to electricity board and switch on the button. Keep it upright with the help of the stand. Wait for 2 minutes to liquefy the gum. The hot liquid gum starts coming out from the nozzle. Now it's ready to use. Press the orange color trigger so that the gum flows out easily. This is how it looks after attaching the horizontal plates and supporting pillars. We can use Fevicol at the joints for extra support. Once it is dried completely, it can be placed upright. Now fix the side plates with Fevicol. Rotate the bookshelf sideways and put weights on them. This is the outer edge of the horizontal plate. This is the lower edge of the upright plate. Apply the gum to outer side of the horizontal plate and bottom of the upright plate. Fix the upright plate on outer edge of horizontal plate. Keep some weights on the upright plates and leave them overnight. At present, the shelf is lying on its back, but the horizontal plates and upright plates are named as per shelf's upright position. Make the design on the upper part of the side plates. Shelf's basic structure is ready. We can use tissue tapes for supporting the joints. Now cut the colored card sheets in rectangular shapes. Use the Fevicol to stick them to the shelf. You can make any pattern of your choice. The front side is ready. I have used other light colored thick card sheets for covering the sides and the back. Our Montessori aligned front-facing bookshelf for toddlers is ready. There are front-facing bookshelves available in the market with the cloth partition, but this cardboard bookshelf is definitely sturdier than that. It's been 2 months since I made it and my son is handling it really hard, but it is still in good condition. So give it a try at home. I hope you find this video helpful for that. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the notification of the new video. Goodbye. Take care.
Feito.